Good morning. So Kristen and I were out super late last night, driving around this area trying to find a hot spring. Just about to give up this morning, and we rolled up to this kind of private property area, and we found this. Just a giant hot tub. We're cooking up a little breakfast. Kind of hard to stop anywhere that's not scenic in this country. On the side of the fjord that offers coffee and waffles, and we just ate, so we're just getting coffee. Try it out. Well, it is shaping up to be a lovely day out here in the West Fjords, and we just went off the road for a little bit and gonna go check out these waterfalls that are unnamed. There's the van back there. So let's go check them out. It should be pretty awesome. The canyon looks amazing. Then we'll get back on the road. That is where we're going, right there. Probably not the right shoe choice for this little hike. Yep, flip-flops, perfect. There's Kristen. You can see that little moving thing way down there, that's her. Woo, she's got a way to go. All right, way down there. So I'm gonna keep going on this little path in my little flip-flops. See how close I can get. Climbing up this just now was extremely dangerous. I really hope Kristen doesn't try to follow me up here. But she's finally made it. Bring your hiking shoes, they said. Nah, I think I'm just gonna ascend it. Yes. She's got it. She wants to turn around, but she's made it this far. All she needs to do is get to me. Woo! She made it! That was hard, huh? It's kind of scary. Woo! What do you think?
Beautiful.
Now time for the descent. No, it's not sketchy. It's fine. It's not sketchy at all, is it? I think it's fine.
Nice.
Time for a little shower. Oh, that feels so good. Such a cool path. Just so you know exactly what we did, we started here, went all the way to the bottom of that thing. Well, we were up there quite a ways. Okay, Slick, let's go. Found this little place. It's the Arctic Fox Center, and we're walking around, checking out all the species. It's lovely today. They have 2 live ones here upstairs that we're gonna see in a second. But for now, we're just looking at all these guys, kind of reading and learning about them all, and just looking at them, striking their poses.
Super soft, yeah.
We've spotted the Arctic foxes. He started moving. Oh, he's thirsty. Do something. Yeah. So we said goodbye to the Arctic foxes, and now we're on the road again. in the Westfjords. And this road is beautiful. We are in Isafjordur, something like that. Bonus here, we didn't think we'd see one for a while. Really beautiful town. Awesome, like volcanic crater in the side of this fjord. And then we noticed that this house up here is being built on the side of this mountain at the very top. He's gonna have a very awesome view one day. As soon as that's done. Isafjordur, that's what it is. But yeah, super cool. Back to the road we go. Son. Yeah. Yeah. This looks rad. Awesome road here. Hey, so Kristen and I made it to Danjandi waterfall, and we're about halfway there, maybe 3/4. I gotta say, it is beautiful up here. This waterfall is massive, per usual in Iceland, and we're almost at the top, so check it out at this point. I will when it's on YouTube.
I'm doing inappropriate things in the background.
Yeah. Right there. Looks like I'm standing in the river.
What is it?
The size of this thing is huge. Wow. Man, and also I really want to jump in this water right now. I won't, but it looks lovely. So we had to say goodbye to Danjandi. Now we're back on the road, and we got quite the drive ahead of us once again. On to Tálknafjörður, and we're gonna go hot springing. So Kristen and I just pulled off to the side of the road, and we found these hot springs. Super easy to find. I'll let you know the name of them right here. And you can see them right off the side of the road. So we had to pull over and check it out. The sun was setting, so it was the perfect time. Hop in the water, and it's about 108 to 112 degrees. It is really hot. So we only sat in there for about 5 minutes or so. But yeah, check it out. It's really cool looking. Awesome, right? So now we have to get back on the road and go to our final destination in the Westfjords. Here we go. Good night.